Myself Neera Pancha.
My name is Mehta. Christmas is celebrated on 25th of December. On this day we celebrate the birth of Lord Jesus Christ.
Christmas is the festival of love, happiness and care. It is about sharing and helping the needy.
All houses and churches are clean before Christmas. They are beautifully decorated with flowers for Christmas celebrations. People also decorate Christmas tree at their homes with colorful balls, ribbons and red socks. They distribute gifts and sing Christmas carols on the occasion. Christians visit the church and light the candles to worship Lord Jesus Christ.
They eat special dinner called the feast and Christmas cake.
Kids love Christmas because they get lots of gifts from Santa Claus who visits their home at midnight.
Today we are going to make Christmas tree. For that we require paper plate, glue, scissor, brushes, green color, brown color, rectangle cutout and decoration materials. एक पेपर प्लेट ले और ब्रश की मदद से इसे कलर करेंगे। अब थोड़ी देर इसे सूखने के लिए रखते हैं। अभी हम रेक्टेंगल कटआउट लेंगे और उसको हम ब्राउन कलर करेंगे। अब आप अपने मम्मी पापा को इस पेपर प्लेट को इस तरह से काटने को कहें। ग्लू स्टिक से हम इसे इस तरह से चिपकाएंगे। अब हम इसे डेकोरेट करेंगे। देखिए कितना सुंदर लग रहा है ना?
Christmas teaches us to practice kindness and love towards each other.
Be helpful to others by helping the needy.
Show love towards everyone.
Be kind towards others.
Thank you.
Bye.